Let us understand the process of collecting and preparing growth factor concentrate or GFC from a patient's peripheral blood and can be used to treat various conditions such as osteoarthritis. To begin the process, we need to collect 4 ml of peripheral blood from the patient in a tube. We need to activate the platelets and release the growth factors. We'll do this by gently inverting the tube for 6 to 7 times. And then allowing the tube to stand for 30 minutes. This activates the platelets using proprietary platelet activating solution present in the tube and releases all the growth factors from the alpha granules present in the platelets.